Hajime mashite watashi no name wa Jairon D. Bigaro desu. Yokusai desu. Raguna no pagusanhan karakima shita. Shumi wa tabemono o tabe korokoto. Ryoko shushite hon o yomokoto desu. Daigaku de wa BSHM2C no kawa no korasu. No kaicho desu. Mata ims no yokokusei dantai no yoken desu. Taigai fuga kaicho desu.
Hi, I'm Zai. Growth is not always loud. Sometimes it happens quietly when no one is watching. I used to believe that growth meant being confident all the time, knowing exactly who I am, and never making mistakes. But as I began to understand myself more deeply, I realized that personal growth is not about perfection. It's about awareness. There was a time when I doubt myself. I compared my progress to others and felt pressured to meet expectations that were not even mine. I struggled with fear of failing, fear of not being enough, and fear of disappointing people. Through reflection, I started asking myself important questions. Who I am when no one is judging me. What truly matters to me. That's when I realized that understanding myself is the first step to growth. Personal growth came to challenges, from moments when things didn't go as planned, from failures that taught me patience, resilience, and humility. I learned that it's okay to slow down. It's okay to feel lost sometimes. These moments helped me discover my values, my strength, and even my weakness, because all of them are part of who I am.
Good day. Thank you for calling Solaris Connector. This is Siron from Reservation Department. How can I assist you?
Good day. I would like to inquire about room availability.
And I know your check-in and check-out date, please.
Um, March 20 to March 22, 2026.
Thank you. We have a deluxe room available. May I have your full name and number of guests,
My
please?
name is Vance Consignado and two guests.
Thank you, Mr. Francisco. They also have your contact
My number is 09123 456
Noted. The room rate is 4,500 per night, inclusive of breakfast. To confirm your reservation, we require a 50% down payment via bank transfer or cash. One payment is made on confirmation will be sent to you. Your reservation is under Venice Consignado from March 20 to March 22, 2026. Thank you for choosing Sunrise City Hotel and have a pleasant day.
Meeting a friend is a good part of our life, whether if kung saan siya galing bansa, sa Pilipinas, Japan, or kahit saan pa yan. Ayan ay ang mga nagiging kaibigan natin na talagang magte-treasure ng ating pagsasamahan. Having a friend at the different countries or at here at the Philippines, makakapag-gain tayo ng more a lot connection. Like, hindi lang sa pangsarili natin, kundi para sa isa't isa. Having a friend just like this is not about having a friend actually. It's about how you put trust, build connection. Tulad nito, nung una hindi magkakilala, ngunit after the socialization, lahat nakilala ang isa't isa. Hindi mahirap magkameron ng kaibigan. Lalo na kapag nakakapag-gain tayo ng trust and alam natin sa sarili natin na sila yung right persons kahit hindi natin sila kilala, kahit bago lang natin silang nakilala. Hindi sila yung tipong iiwan ka once na kailangan mo na sila.